Meghan's like a friend, super cool, and it's like I kind of like grew up, you know, with her, knowing her friends, and now I've seen her do this, but it's pretty crazy. Overall, she has good hair. She really does. It lays nice, it listens, and you can kind of do whatever you want to do with it, and it'll stay. My name is Michael Sparks, and I'm a hairstylist, and these are my kit essentials. So the Parlux 3200, love it. It's the best blow dryer out there. It's light, it's powerful, and it dries the hair really, really fast. The next product that I love is a flexible hairspray. I love it because you can keep setting and you can keep building it. It doesn't get too flaky. And the one that I have right now in my hand, it's called the INTERN by IGK. So I absolutely love this Oribe texture spray. It adds texture to the hair. That's my go-to essential. When I want to have fun, dirty the hair, add some texture, make the hair big, this is the best product. It's a very popular product right now. Almost every hairstylist, I swear, like loves this product. You can keep building, playing. I'm really into structures and building and kind of making things big and fun. This is the product that allows you to do that. When it comes to Meghan Markle though, we like a little bit of body. The thing is that I smooth it a lot, kind of like down here for length, but we also want to not smooth it too much at the root on the top of the head, because a little bit of, you know, roughness will add a little bit more body. The next product that I absolutely love is the APRES Beach Wave and Shine Spray by Oribe. I like to use this from mid shaft to ends. It kind of separates the hair, adds a little bit of wetness. It's the best beach spray. On dry hair though. You don't put it on wet hair, on dry hair. So the next product that I absolutely love, it allows me to do my blow dry a lot faster. It's called Royal Blowout. It cuts my blow dry, I wouldn't say in half, but maybe, you know, like 25%. And it also adds a little bit of shine. It's good on any type of hair. Just be careful with fine hair, don't spray it too much. And the last product is Foil. It's from R&Co. It's a frizz static. So with someone that has curly hair at the very end, after you're done blow drying it, it's a good product to use. Especially if you travel like New York, Florida, this is a go-to. Keep it in your bag, take it out, spray it at your hair when it's dry, run your hands through your hair, and voila. I'm gonna say one more product. Yeah. One more. It's not really a product, but it's the Bezo board bristles. These brushes, I get tons of DMs that people ask me all the time, like, what brush am I using? And actually this morning I had two, I swear, two people that asked me this morning, and it's the Bezo board bristles. They're soft, but they add enough tension to get the hair smooth. So, and I love the cork handle on these ones because it's actually, if you do hair a lot all day long, it's actually softer on your hands. So there you go. It's the Bezo board bristle brush. That's it.